Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can download Elden Nightreign for free. So let's get on to it. You're going to go to your default browser app and type in Breezy Coupons. Then you're going to click on this first link that you find here. And then you're going to type in Elden Ring Nightreign. As you can see, the game is here. Now, when we look here, there are only 88 coupons left. So we are just going to click on show game code. As you can see, the game code is displayed here, but it's not displayed all of it. So in order for you to display the whole game code, you need to press unlock code. You'll be taken to this page here. So you'll be required to do a few minor tasks that won't take much of your time. As you can see, these are the tasks here. You'll be required to do at least 2 tasks, and then you'll be done. And then after this, you'll receive the code. So after you receive the code, you'll be required to copy it. And then I'm going to show you where you will paste this code. So you are going to go to your default browser, and then you're going to type in PlayStation Store. Then you are going to click on the first link here. So when you reach this page, you need to make sure that you are logged in. As you can see here, I'm logged in, although I have not set up a profile. And then you're going to go to your profile here. And then you're going to this redeem code here. And then all you need to do is to paste that code here, and you'll have gotten the game for free. And that is simply how it's done. As you can see, this is a very short process, and that is simply how it's done. If you found this content useful, consider subscribing and tell me in the comment section whether it has worked for you.